All right, everybody, so we're here at the 2017 boat show. I don't know who the sponsor is. So right now we're just checking it out, seeing what they got. We, as you know, hooked up with Backlashed. We're looking for some new equipment all the time. Definitely gonna be checking out some kayaks while we're here. Probably gonna look at some cool boats, something that we could be using. We're here for research and a little bit of fun. Brought my boy with me, Little E, and hooked up is back there, Mr. Robert. Wow, look at this guy. So yeah, we're gonna check it out, see what we got. What if your boat went that high when you were like driving there? That's okay. So this right here, if you look at this boat, this is exactly how my rod broke. So Bobby was driving the boat. We hit a wake and the boat went exactly that high while I was sitting in the front, and it smashed and it ate my fishing rod. Just so y'all know. It looks cool, man. There's some big old boats. So guys, you have a choice. You could have this boat or you could buy a house. One of the two. It's probably more expensive than my house. We're about to come visit.
Oh, I do?
Whoa.
Man, we have Livingston lures, dude.
What do you say?
Yeah, you're welcome, for sure.
That's so cool.
What is it?
Hell yeah, man, yourself?
Pretty good.
Good.
Brother.
Really appreciate it, man. Thank you, man.
Oh, yeah, man. Thank you guys for coming out.
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, man, we're rocking and
It's not
rolling.
my favorite toy.
Get some of that, Bob. Huh?
For twerking.
It's to teach you. That's awesome, dude. Get Vibra Fit. Well, it looks like a pretty successful boat show. There wasn't as much stuff as we thought there was going to be, but overall it was still really neat to see some. I mean, some of these boats are worth more than my house, but you know, it was pretty cool to see a bunch of stuff. They had like little events for kids so you can go fishing, but overall the thing that I really liked a lot was the kayaks. Nice kayak area. It's a Hobie area. It was great to see the pro angler. That's why I came. I really wanted to see the pro angler. Fin Addict was here, went and talked with them. They were really cool people, and they had a lot of cool stuff, so go visit them if you get a chance. But overall, I mean, you saw a lot of really cool stuff. Trailers are some really cool trailers that, you know, we weren't thinking about it before, but now potentially get ourselves a trailer, go out on the beach, or go wherever we want. We can load the kayaks in it or something, and that'd be a cool little home base to have, but be comfortable out there. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, just showing what we got out here, having some fun, doing some stuff in San Antonio. Can't get out on the water, so might as well come to the boat show. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Say bye, Eric. It's quiet. It's quiet. You gotta walk quietly. Oh, fuck. Damn it. All right, guys, hope you had a great time. That's it, we're done. We're at the Alamo Dome. We're outside. They've officially kicked us out. And so boat show's done, 2017. It was fun, had a great time. My boy had fun back there. I don't know if you can see him. He got himself a trophy, catching some catfish, visited Fin Addict. They hooked him up with some cool lures. You can see those. Thank you all very much for that. We're gonna test them out. The kayaks look great. I like the Hobie kayaks. Those were really, really cool. See if we can get some money together to buy one of those. Or if you guys want to buy one for each of us, we'll do that too. But thank you very much. Enjoy it. Keep subscribing to our channel. Have fun. Okay, later. Say bye.